In this video, I'm going to show you how to take those stocks that you've invested in through Cash App investing, and I'm going to show you how to actually withdraw just your profits and not the initial amount that you invested. If you have any questions throughout this video, please leave them all down in the comments below, and I will answer every single one of them for you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your Cash App app, and let's get into the investing side of things. So you're going to hit the icon down there at the bottom right, the investing icon. This will take us into the investing side of things. Now I can pick any of these stocks that are within my portfolio. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when we do place this trade right now, it is outside of when the stock market is open. So the stock market is open Monday through Friday, as long as it's not a holiday, from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So because we're going to place this trade right now on a weekend, it won't actually go through until Monday morning at 9:30 a.m. So I am actually going to have a chance to cancel this order that I place if I really want to, which I'll show you how to cancel it if you change your mind before the stock market opens back up. So first I need to pick my stock. So let's go ahead and let's do Penn National Gaming right there, because I know that I'm up on that one quite a bit. So we'll click into that. And at the very top right, you can see the amount that I have invested into Penn National Gaming. It's $20.62. Now, if you look down there at the bottom where it says My Investment, it gives you the details of how that $20.62 is broken down. 6 of it is my initial investment. And $14.62 of that $20.62 total are my profits. So if I just want to sell my profits, that tells me, hey, you just want to sell your profits, but you want to leave your initial amount in there, this is what you do. And it's going to be $14.62. So we're going to go ahead and hit the sell button, and we're going to remember that $14.62 because you can sell that full $14.62, or if you want to, you can just sell a little bit of it, right? Maybe you just want to take $10 and leave a $4.62 profit in there. So we're just going to sell, we'll say $10 of the $14.62 profit. 62-cent profit. So we'll hit the sell button, and we're going to choose the amount because initially they give you the option 2, 5, 10, 15, or all. Or if you want to, you can manually type in the amount. So we're just going to manually type in the amount, even though I could technically click on that $10 right there because we want to sell $10 of it. I want to show you how to do this side of things. So we're going to go ahead and hit the 3 dots on there at the bottom right. Whoops, it didn't work. Let me hit sell again. Okay, hit that again. There we go. Okay, now this is where we can manually type in the full dollar amount, or if you want to put in a fraction of a dollar as well. So we could do like $10.62. So actually, let's do that, $10.62. Okay, then we're going to hit next, confirm our PIN. If you haven't done it yet, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. And if you want more how-to content just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And this is going to give us the details of what we're selling. So it tells us right up top there. So order type is market. So what a market order is basically you're telling Cash App, hey, when I place this trade, go ahead and sell these shares or sell my stock at whatever price the current market is. So that's all you're saying when you do that. Now, the approximate shares right now, since the market is closed, when it closed on Friday, it was $109.33 per share. So once Monday morning comes around and the stock market opens, the price is going to fluctuate quite a bit while the market is open. So they can't guarantee that it's going to sell at the $109.33 per share price. So it might be a little bit higher, it might be a little bit lower, you don't know, but it should be pretty close to the $109.33 per share. Now, of that, you're going to sell approximate shares, not one full share. It's just going to be a fraction of it, so 0.097 of a share. So it's going to be less than 1 share of Penn National Gaming because we don't own 1 full share of Penn National Gaming. So the total sale amount is going to be $10.62. There are government fees, which is just a penny right there. So the total proceeds that you should expect to get deposited into your Cash App account is $10.61. So we're going to go ahead and schedule this since the market's closed. But if the market was open right now, this would go through right away. So if you were placing this trade between 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Eastern Eastern Standard Time, this would go through immediately. But since I'm doing this on a Sunday, you can see it says tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. this trade will execute. So keep that in mind. You can't go back and cancel this stock trade that you place if it's during the stock market hours when they're open. So we're going to go ahead and schedule this. And there's a confirmation. Your $10.62 worth of Penn National Gaming order will be placed tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. So we're going to hit done. Now, say in a few hours I decide, hey, I don't actually want this trade to go through, I can technically cancel it. So to cancel it, what you can do is go to your Cash App activity. So down there at the bottom right where the clock is, we can press on that. And this is going to show you where your pending trades are, or pending invitations in my case. I have a bunch of invitations from people. So for Penn National Gaming, it says right there, it says cancel, so we can press on that, and this gives you an idea. Okay, it's scheduled right there, down there at the bottom. Today at 5:31 p.m. is when I place this. I have it scheduled. Now I can hit the X at the top left, and what I can do is I can hit that cancel right there to the right. So I'm going to hit cancel because technically I don't want to sell Penn National Gaming yet. I still want to hold on to this stock, so we'll hit cancel. Are you sure that you want to cancel this $10.62 sale of Penn National Gaming? 62-cent sale of Penn National Gaming? Yes. Now, you want to make sure that it actually goes through, because see how it's spinning right there? It's not confirmed until it stops spinning and you see it down below there that it's where it says sale canceled. So don't just press cancel and close the app. Make sure that it's confirmed right there how it says sale canceled, because if not, who knows, your trade might still go through, and then at that point, and maybe you didn't want to sell, but you're kind of screwed because it's like, well, you know, you closed the app when it wasn't fully canceled yet, so you sold the stock when maybe you didn't want to. Now, one thing to know is that once you sell that stock, once the market is open and that stock trade goes through, the money is going to get deposited just into your normal Cash App account. So down there at the bottom right where it says $67, I'm going to press on that, and it will get deposited right here into your cash balance. So that's where the money is going to go. If you want 4 free stocks from the Webull investing app, then use my link down in the description of this video to open up an account. Now, one thing to keep in mind, once you open up an account with Webull, you have 30 days to deposit at least $100 to get those 4 free stocks worth up to $1,600. Now, keep in mind, you don't have to necessarily invest. So once you deposit that initial $100, you can let it sit there, get your 4 free stocks, cash out that initial $100 that you put in, sell those 4 free stocks, cash out that money, and it's free money. So you kind of be crazy not to do that. Check out these videos to your left if you want more information on how to use the Cash App investing side of Cash App.